PIDEA coordination is mandatory according to Section 86 as far as practicable. Except na lang kung may danger to life or safety. Attorney, kailan mo isasubmit yung drugs sa laboratory? Within 24 hours. Okay? Kung tatagal dyan, meron na namang gap sa chain of custody, pwede na namang ma-dismiss. So, number 1, checklist ninyo, make sure you coordinate with PIDEA as required by Section 86. Make sure na meron kayong witness. Kuha lang kayo ng kagawad. Kuha lang kayo ng media na friend ninyo or fiscal. Mark evidence immediately at the scene. Inventory plus photograph. Include the accused, the evidence, and the witnesses. And then ensure witnesses sign the inventory. Okay? Kaya yung practice ngayon nilalagay sa tarpaulin, ilalatag doon, tsaka pipirmahan. Ensure that it's being turned over properly to the lab within 24 hours. And then appear in court during the hearing.